Really, let me continue. Before first use, remove all package from the dehydrator and its accessory. Make sure all package container include. Okay, done. Clean the housing trays and tray liners with the moisten cloth. The tray dishwasher cell. Do not wash the mastering or fruit or cheese in the dishwasher. So we have moisture. Clean with the moisten cloth. I got the napkin. I got some wet in here. So clean it or just wash it. Or just clean it. Okay, let me take it out. Let's say you have moisture clean. Use the moisture cloth, clean it. Okay, I just clean the housing. Let me clean them after I'm done, and when I go next step, it will be for you to see it. Let me clean done. Next, for survey, I did it right here. Blood in, I did it too. Place the trays inside the dehydrator. I done it right here. Next, number 4, run dehydrator for 30 minutes at any temperature without adding any food. Make sure that the room has sufficient ventilation in case the dehydrator produces any smoke or smell. This is normal. Run the dehydrator for 30 minutes at any temperature without adding any food. Make sure that the room has sufficient ventilation in case the dehydrator produces any smoke or smell. This is normal. Okay, and we start do it now. This is for all the tray in. I wonder we do put this tray in. Okay. Blow it. Turn on. Okay. I just turn on. And now what next? Run the dehydrator 30 minutes any temperature. It's the smell. Next I temperature, and then next I how I turn time. That's not there yet. 11. Why? No, not. Okay, 30 minutes is right. 1 hour. Okay. Let me start. Let's see. Is that 30 minutes? Yeah. That's they said 30 minutes. Oh, it's really the smell. Yep, they're right. Something smell. That's the normal. Rinse after that. Rinse the tray with the water. Dry all parts. You only need to do this first The first time you use the dehydrator. Okay, only for the first time. Okay, I'm back now. I have 29 more minutes to go. That's okay. See you later.